Lumens, your success, our focus.
This video shows you how to search VC-BC301P and RTSP streams. We'll walk you through the steps for searching VC-BC301P and RTSP streams. Connect the VC-BC301P to the network. Remember, the camera and computer must be in the same network segment. Download and install VMS software from the Lumens website. Open the Lumens VMS software and search for cameras. Find the VC-BC301P IP address. Open the browser, enter the VC-BC301P IP address, and log into the web page. Click Output Source, select Streaming or HDMI and Streaming. There are three VC-B301P RTSP connection address formats. Open VLC Player and click Network to input RTSP URL. Now you got the RTSP stream on VLC Player. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.